HVAC people!
All right, so we got a 460 volt transformer, 24 volt on the secondary, 75 VA. Should be an easy change now. See, you got those spade terminals. Part number TRR00826. Got an internal fuse. That's it. Train precedent. See, the unit's still running. So we're gonna change the transformer out and change that shield out. I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna check this transformer just to check it. Might just be a, sometimes we just do a what they call refurbishing. I didn't ask why we changing it, but the unit running, so contactor may not be all the way bad. Hear something buzzing. Yep. Yeah. Well, it is buzzing. Oh man, don't tell me. So I said I was gonna pack light. I ain't bring up in the tool bag, so I gotta go back down and get a, I didn't even bring a Phillips head screwdriver. But I do hear the transformer buzzing, so maybe that's why they changing it out. 460 right there. Let's check to see what kind of load we got. Some told me to at least bring my screwdriver. I don't think I'll bring it. I didn't think I was gonna need it. I get tired of hauling that backpack everywhere. Especially on a little service like this. But I'm listening to my audio book I just purchased on Audible. Called A Home Service Millionaire. Well, you can see that. I'm on chapter 5 by Tommy Mello. So if you see me with my headphones on, like I say, I probably not listen to any music. I like listening to audio books. So I have, what else I got in my library? So I got the Home Service Millionaire, what I'm listening to now. I got Michelle Obama book Becoming. I got the Principles by Ray Dalio. That's a good book, audio book right there. I got the Secrets to Success by Eric Thomas. And I also got YouTube, I think they call it YouTube Red, where you don't have to listen to advertising. And they got a bunch of free audio books on YouTube. That's usually what I'm listening to. But yeah, check this. See what kind of voltage we getting out. I do hear the transformer humming, and that's why it's humming right there. I can be missing some screws, or they don't come with them. They ain't buzzing no more. We good? Now we're gonna change that bad boy out. See what kind of voltage we're getting out this thing. I got 479. See what we got on the low side. Got 26 volts on the low side, so it's doing its job. But we're gonna change it out, and I'll just put that in my truck for a spare, just to get me out of a pinch of a bind one day. little rusty, but it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, I don't think I got my Phillips head on. All right, let me run to the truck and see what I need to do. All right, all set. I got the Vito. There'll be a couple tools up in there. So real quick, check these out right here. So to me, one of my worst purchases in the world, a while back, my wife talked me into buying some Dolce & Gabbana shades. I paid almost $500 something for them shades. And I think that was the worst investment I ever made. But the only reason I really bought them because my wife, she say I look good in them and I deserve it. But anyway, love my wife, so she say I look good in them. Sometimes I gotta please her. So, but to me that was the worst investment I ever made. But cause I'd rather put $500 in, you know, to my business or a tool. I get much satisfaction if I can go buy a vacuum pump or something for $500. You know, cause I can make them shades ain't finna make me no extra money at all. You know, just gonna look good in them, I guess. But like I said, I'd rather put that money in towards a tool where I can come back and invest. But I'm saying that to say this. So I paid, I think I did Home Depot, D-Walk, paid probably about $15 for these shades. I usually get polarized shades, but these right here ain't about nothing. See this white roof right here? Walking with these shades right here is literally like I don't have anything on. This roof is blinding me with these shades on. So I'm thinking about, I don't know, cause I usually pay about between $30 and $40 for some decent polarized glasses or shades or sunglasses. But I'm thinking about if I make a couple extra dollars, I might go get me some Oakleys. As long as they polarize. And the reason I don't want to spend that kind of money on those shades because I lose these or I scratch these up all the time. Even the ones that I'm paying $30 and $40 for, they might last me a couple months. Then I'm buying another pair. So that's almost $100 right there. So I'm thinking if I get the Oakleys though, I might, if I pay a pretty penny for them, I might try to keep up with them and try not to scratch them. And hopefully, if they that much money, because I know they're expensive too. They like between $300 and $500 sometimes. Unless you go to Sunglass Hut. Cause my wife bought me some Oakleys one time. I mean, I liked them. But guess what? I have no idea where they at right now. I think I still got them. They scratched up, but I got them or lost them. So I'm debating. I might just stick with the $30 and $40. But like I say, I'm still buying 3 or 4 pair of them a year. So I don't know. Make sure this power's still off. Like I say, I already double checked. So I like to make sure I'm not putting my low voltage on the primary and my primary not on the secondary. So just gonna keep a mental note. This red is for common and this blue and this for 460 right here. And the one with all these on here, obviously that's my common or neutral. So let's see what we got here. Sometimes I don't know how this camera's set up. A lot of my videos, I be telling you, look at the meter. The camera not even on the meter. But trust me, if I say it's 479, it's 479. With my battery low on this camera, I might not be able to get that shield changed out. But I get much as I can. So the reason this thing probably vibrating also, cause I noticed it only have one screw on here. I would put a self-tapper back there. It has this little slot where it can fit in. But I'm gonna shut up though and listen to my audio book. And hope y'all find this helpful. I mean, just a transformer change out. But I know some of my viewers never done this before and think it's kind of cool to see or whatnot. Because a lot of times I'm running service calls and all it is a capacitor, and I can start filming and I get a capacitor. I just find that bored sometimes. Sometimes I don't even upload them. You can only make so many capacitor videos. Well, a lot of times, especially residential though, that's what be wrong with it. Wrong with the unit. Yeah, so I guess the screws don't come in this thing. So I guess this one just started. That's where this vibrating was coming from on this one. I guess they just starting to come apart. Need to ask Train what they do to seal the middle of this. I probably can put some super glue or something on there and it stop vibrating for a while. Yeah, see that screw there? I don't feel it tighten down. Brought some self-tapper. Boom. So alright, that's gonna have to do there. So I'm gonna put this on my common. 460. This one right here goes like so. Alright. So that was an easy installation. We got 480 and 26.9. 27. So we'll call that good.